Hello, I hope you are well. Welcome to my new subscribers. I hope you will find things that interest you on my little channel. So today we are going to work with resin and as you can see, a multitude of pigments. So I have this mold that is a branch of flowers. I had it for a while, but I have not used it yet. So we are going to try it out. I put it on the black cardboard because that way I can see better. On the white it was a little more complicated. So let's go to work because it's going to take a while, because I'm going to fill all the cavities with my different colors. So it's going to take a while, but don't worry, I'm going to cut out parts of the video and I'm going to speed it up. Don't worry. Otherwise it's going to take at least an hour. So I'm going to start to apply this pigment, and I trying to make something pretty. So with my little brush I'm going to start. So I don't know, I have all these pigments here from Arteza, and I have Chameleon too. I haven't decided exactly what color I'm going to use first. Do I start with the flowers? No, I think it's better to start with the branches. So I'm going to start with this green, and then I'm going to do the branches first and then the flowers. It's more careful, I think. So you have to apply enough, of course, so that it comes out, but not too much either, because these powders fly everywhere very easily, you know. I strongly recommended that you use a mask when you use all these powders, but well, I admit I didn't do it, and it's not good at all. So here I am. I'm going to start by applying this green one, and you'll see a little later that I'm going to apply a second one because it seemed a little bit too light to me. I let you watch it, and you'll see that I have cut a few parts. See you soon! Here is a little bit of cleaning up because the powder flew everywhere. Before showing it to you, I will shake my mold a little bit because there are always some residues of powder that remain, and it might make some clumps afterwards when I'll put my resin. So look how pretty these powders are. It's really, really beautiful. Oh, I also cleaned the edges with a cotton tip and a little bit of alcohol because otherwise there was a little bit everywhere. So it's super pretty. I'm loving these colors. I'm doing a little close-up for you so you can see the different shades. It's always very difficult and very delicate to capture all the shades of these mica powders or the Chameleon powders. So I'm trying to make sure that the colors mix together. I'm trying to move the mold a little bit so you can see, but you know, it's very difficult, but it's really shiny with the Chameleon powders and the mica powders that are mixing together. Really, I think it's lovely. I love my flowers. Well, they are not real flowers, that's clear, but in the meantime it's really very, very pretty. And I'm also showing you the back, because the back by transparency, oh, it's really too beautiful. I'm happy with myself. Well, now we'll see what it's going to look like after applying the resin and after drying. So we'll meet again right away for the application of the resin. So my resin is ready, and I put a black pigment, of course. Well, I have bubbles because that's normal. So I put it in this little cup because it's easier to pour. I try not to work too dirty and not to pour it everywhere, which is not easy for me. In accelerated, it's nice too. It looks like it done very well, but in fact I was very careful not to pour it on the edges and so on. So I filled my mold correctly, and then we'll see the result. So a little bit of lighter, a little bit of alcohol spray, and then I'll put it in my curing machine. So see you in a second. Well, I put my flower branch in my machine, and now we're going to unmold it. It's been out for a short time. I waited for it to cool down, but as you can see, yes, you see that it's very flexible, and I don't want to break a branch or a flower. It would be a shame. So I go carefully to unmold everything, but yes, it comes out well. Yes, it unmolds well. It's nice. You have to be really careful on the thinner parts, of course, but no, it unmolds very, very well. So I'm very happy with that. So well, my back is perfect. I don't have any bubbles, or maybe a little one. But see, here is the result. Oh, I'm delighted. Really, really. Oh, I'm so happy. I just have a little doubt. I had put a kind of orange on some petals, but there it is rather brown, but it's okay. It suits me very well. But in any case, what a pretty thing it is. There is a shine. There are incredible reflections. I'm really delighted. I'm very pleased with the result. Tell me what you think in the comments, and suggest me colors too. It should be nice. So here is the little close-up with my pretty flowers. So it's really hard to give the reality of the colors of these flowers. I took a picture in the daylight. Yes, that will be better. I love this color. I love these colors. I love these flowers. So here is the picture, and you see it's better. So stay tuned for the second part to see what I did with the branch, what I tried to do with it as best I could. Thank you for watching. Bye.